Here are some tips to make your home look luxurious and expensive. Interior design. 1. Neutral color palette. Use a neutral color scheme with shades of white, beige, and gray to create a sophisticated look. 2. High quality furniture. Invest in high quality, statement pieces of furniture that exude luxury. 3. Add texture. Mix different textures like velvet, leather, and wood to add depth and visual interest. 4. Lighting. Use table lamps, floor lamps, or chandeliers to create a warm and inviting ambiance. 5. Artwork. Hang expensive-looking artwork or prints to add a touch of elegance. Decor and accessories. 1. Add greenery. Bring in some greenery like potted plants or fresh flowers to add a pop of color and freshness. 2. Use luxury materials. Incorporate luxury materials like marble, gold, or bronze into your decor. 3. Display fine china. Display fine china, crystal, or glassware to add a touch of sophistication. 4. Add a statement piece. Add a statement piece like a vintage clock or a sculpture to create visual interest. 5. Keep it clutter-free. Keep your space clutter-free and organized to create a sense of luxury. Lighting and mirrors. 1. Use dimmable lighting. Install dimmable lighting to create a warm and inviting ambiance. 2. Add mirrors. Hang mirrors to create the illusion of a larger space and add a touch of elegance. 3. Use table lamps. Use table lamps to add a touch of sophistication and create a cozy ambiance. Outdoor and entryway. 1. Create a beautiful entryway. Create a beautiful entryway with a statement piece like a vase or a sculpture. 2. Add outdoor lighting. Add outdoor lighting to highlight your home's exterior and create a welcoming ambiance. 3. Keep your yard tidy. Keep your yard tidy and well manicured to create a good first impression. Other tips. 1. Pay attention to details. Pay attention to details like hardware, trim, and molding to create a luxurious look. 2. Invest in quality linens. Invest in quality linens and bedding to create a luxurious feel. 3. Create a focal point. Create a focal point in each room to draw the eye and create visual interest. 4. Keep it simple. Keep your decor simple and uncluttered to create a sense of luxury and sophistication. By incorporating these tips, you can create a luxurious and expensive-looking home that exudes style and sophistication.